There's nothing quite like making your own garlicky aioli, fresh in your own kitchen. And with the Cuisinart Smart Stick 700-watt hand blender, it allows you to do it in a tiny little space. Very clean, very efficient. And this beaker that's provided allows you to make a decent volume with just a few simple ingredients. With power to spare, this 700-watt blender handles a wide variety of tasks with ease. You can see how easy it is to disconnect a power source, and this beautiful aioli is ready to serve.